Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Neiden Twin bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you remove, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, and a 5/16 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit and a hex bit that's compatible with the screws for this bed frame. So the first step is to simply take off the slatted bed base like this. Then pull out these 4 dowels and put them into a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now go to the middle and unscrew these 4 screws. Next, if you want, you can unscrew these 2 screws. Then using the Allen key, unscrew these 4 screws that I pointed to. I'll show you how it's done for one of these screws. Now go to the footboard and unscrew this screw. Also hit the sideboard so the barrel nut comes out. Then repeat the same step for the other corner. Now you can disconnect the footboard like this. Next, pull out any exposed dowels. Then if you want, you can fully disassemble the footboard. I'd recommend using a drill with a hex bit or an Allen key that has some type of handle, as this next step could be a bit tedious. So go to this end and unscrew these two screws. Then disconnect the leg piece like this. Now you can unscrew this screw, take both pieces apart, and pull out any exposed dowels. Then repeat the same steps for the other leg piece. Next, go to the back of the headboard and unscrew this screw. Then pull the sideboard piece out and dislodge the barrel nut like this. Then repeat the same steps for the other corner. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Next, if you want, you can disassemble the headboard. Again, I recommend using a drill with the hex bit or an Allen key with the handle. You'll unscrew these 4 screws and disconnect this leg piece as shown. Then unscrew this screw, disconnect both pieces, and pull out any exposed dowels like this. Now go to the other side and repeat the same steps. Then flip this piece and unscrew these 2 screws. And finally, pull out any exposed dowels. So now you're done with disassembling the Neiden Twin bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below, and hopefully this tutorial helped you out.